music for a child's heart, body, and mind.
Alright, Sardonyx, good morning once again. You're welcome to science class for today. We'll be looking at the concluding part of the topic we started last week. We looked into energy conversion, we were able to define it, and look at the different kinds and forms of energy. And we started the forms of energy conversion. We were able to look at two, so the remaining two, we'll be considering them today, and I really hope you understand it. Like you can see on your screen, the third one is from electrical energy to mechanical energy. Now in this case of conversion, electrical energy is converted to mechanical energy. And we have examples of products of technology that actually work through this process. Don't forget, in this case, there is a conversion from electrical energy to what? Mechanical energy. Electrical energy has the power or the source from electricity, while the mechanical is talking about machine related, something being done by machine. A kind of a rotation, a movement that is being done by what? Machine. Okay, so example of product number one is blender. Now you can see that the blender works based on conversion from electrical energy to mechanical energy. How does this happen? The blender, you plug it to electricity, so electrical energy is gotten from there, and what happens? The electrical energy now will be converted to mechanical energy that enables the blade to spin. That's the mechanical part of it, and that is how you're able to blend whatever you're using the blender to do. The same thing goes for your electric fans. By the time you have to plug it to electricity, after then what happens? The blade will start spinning. That's mechanical. And then by so doing, you have your ventilation. The third one is video players at home. By the time you plug them to electricity, you see the head of the player start rotating, spinning. That's to mechanical energy. And the fourth one we have there is electric clippers, the one used in barbing at home or probably in the salon. Now the electric clipper is plugged into electricity. By so doing, what happens? You see a kind of movement of the teeth of the clipper, and that is how barbing of hair is being able to be achieved. That is for electrical energy to mechanical energy. And the last one is mechanical energy to electrical energy. That's the opposite of the one we just talked about. From being a machine to bringing electricity. Like from a particular movement of a machine, bringing about electricity. That's mechanical energy to what? Electrical energy. Now here, mechanical energy is converted to electrical energy, and we have some items that operate based on this process. We have some items that operate based on this process. Okay, number one is the bicycle dynamo. The dynamo is a kind of device or equipment that it's being moved. You keep rolling it or winding it, and by so doing it generates what? Power, electricity. It's being used back then. It's the early days device. The second one here is generator. Generator is a machine, okay? By the time you draw it and then it keeps rolling, there's a part of it that keeps rolling inside the moment the generator is being put on. So what happens is that power comes up once this is in place. And the last one is turbine. Of course, turbine is what we use in generating electricity. There are several turbines. You have the wind, you have the gas turbine, but there is a continuous movement in form of a machine. That's mechanical energy, and this actually brings about generation of electricity. That's the electrical energy. All right, that is about conversion from mechanical energy to electrical energy. And the last part of the topic is the importance of energy conversion. This energy conversion we'll be talking about how important is it to humanity. Now the importance of energy conversion is as follows, or they are as follows. Number one, it enables us to identify the different forms of energy conversion. There is true energy conversion where you can tell that there are different forms of what? Energy, and that they are all interconvertible. Number two, most products of technology are designed and produced based on the basic principle of energy conversion. I've mentioned that in our last class. And most of the products of technology that we have and we use at home or around today, they work based on energy conversion. For example, your microphone. I will sound to electrical impulses. You speak to the microphone. What happens? It amplifies. Persons that are at the back that cannot hear your natural voice will start hearing you. Loudspeaker, that's electromagnetic wave to sound. Then the speaker is what brings out the sound actually. So from electromagnetic wave, it produces what? Sound, and everyone can actually hear what the speaker is bringing out. The gas cooker at home, Chemical energy to heat what? Energy. The gas is a chemical. Okay, by the time you actually put it on, what happens? It brings fire that brings about heat, energy. Okay, you have the solar cells to heat energy, that's from sun, to electrical energy. I told you today that people use solar to actually generate power. You see a lot of solar panels at the top of buildings, and that will help in generating electrical energy, electricity. Okay, number 3 importance is that the product of technology make our work simple and faster. The product of technology makes our work simple and what? Faster. Now think of the outcome of using an ordinary voice to address a crowd compared to using a microphone and loudspeaker. And this is one of the importance here. Imagine when you have a crowd of about 1,000 persons in a hall and you want to address them and you're using just your voice, ordinary voice, not loudspeaker or microphone. People will not hear you, and that means you have to shout. In fact, you have to be at the top of your voice. You may likely lose your voice. But with the use of microphone and loudspeaker, which are product of technology that work based on the principle of energy conversion, you can reach out to as many as possible. Even if they're up to 2,000, they can hear you from wherever they are. And number 4, the last importance is the product of energy conversion contribute to the economic growth of a nation. Of course, the product of technology has made the world a global village, a better place. Now, through the product of technology, I can reach someone in America, in Germany, in any part of the world today. And most of these products, they actually work based on the principle of energy conversion. So that is all for science today. We are talking about energy conversion and their various forms. And finally, we have looked at the importance. So you can check the portal if there will be homework for this particular subject. I really hope you understand the topic. I will see you in the next science class. Bye for now.